Hey Sonoran Scalers, thanks for tuning into the channel. Today's video we're looking at the Danchee Ridgerock. If you're new to the channel, there's been a whole series put together on this particular truck and this particular build, and it's kind of in its final finished stages now. Got a different body on it today. I've gone through some different bodies that I just have laying around and just tested out what will kind of fit, what will work, what won't, and plan on ordering some aftermarket bodies in the future, make this thing a little more custom. But as it sits right now, it's got tires, wheels, wheel spacers, aftermarket links made for the Everest 10. It's got a pen spring modification in the shocks to lower the ride height. The connector has been swapped over to an XT60. Also rerouted the wires that are powering both this front and rear steering servos and front and rear axle mounted motors, have rerouted those wires to the upper control arms rather than how they come from the factory, which is routed along the lower linkage. This prevents hang-ups, zip tie hang-ups, and wire pulls. Just gives you a cleaner overall look. Also have added some automotive wheel balancing weights wrapped around the inner ring of these alloy wheels that are on this truck, and that added a lot of weight down low, helped keep it planted. It's a lot less prone to being side hilled. This thing really performs very, very well. It's very inexpensive. Whole complete package here, you're looking at 200 or less. The truck itself comes in at 120 ready to run. It just doesn't look like this. However, it performs really good kind of the way it comes, and this is a very buildable platform that will get you into this hobby for a really reasonable cost. I've got another video coming, actually working on editing for it right now, where we are going to compare this kind of completed budget project Ridgerock with a pretty heavily modified axial Capra, which is kind of one thing that we did in the very first place with this Ridgerock, was compare it kind of out of the box with the Capra. Now we're going to compare it again with the way it is now with the Capra, obstacle to obstacle, same day, same environment. See if it can keep up. I think you're going to be surprised. Stay tuned for that one, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you haven't already done so, make sure to hit that subscribe button before you leave, and we will see you in the next one.